Just waiting on the countdown. Trying to get some Mercury Mariner keys reprogrammed, so just waiting. Using an SBB key programmer that I got off of Amazon. Or no, it was actually DH Gate, I think. That's where I got this one. Got the keys cut. Now I'm just waiting for the computer to do its little countdown. Hopefully all goes well and it gets it programmed like it's supposed to. So it's 2005 Mercury Mariner with the transponder chipped key. So hopefully it'll go ahead and get it all programmed, and I'll chat back with you when it's all done.